So he comes to us, and with that, he is, of course, the elder two children are blessings to us, but more to us for John, because his coming really comes ahead of time. And you know, one characteristic of a blessing to us is it comes to us unexpectedly. So John arrived when we were least prepared. But however, he is really a blessing to us. He is our third child, and he arrived into our family a blessing. The second time that he tries to show that he's a blessing to us was when he got into college. We were considering a course for him. We were trying to decide a course for him, trying to convince him. But then he decided himself to take up nursing. He took nursing against my will. I must tell you that.
Gusto mga brother.
We went to Manila together on a bus. I was going to attend a conference somewhere in UP Manila, and he was also going to Manila to enroll. On our way, we were conversing, and he was telling me, "Dad, I'm going to change course." I said, "Please, no, anak, no. Don't do that." But then he went on. After a few days, he came home to the province and told me, "Dad, I have enrolled in nursing." And so we were not able to do anything anymore. We had to do everything to help him until he finished his course in nursing. So that again, it turned out to be a blessing to him and also a blessing to us. So he finished nursing. The third time that he showed a blessing to us is when he decided to come to the States.
Adriel, raise your hand.
He came to the States, and I said, we were not ready to send him at that time. However, he was so decided to come. He found a way to come over here and discovered America for himself, and he was able to find his life here. It was a blessing for him to have come here in the States, and also it was also a blessing to us and to the family. And the blessing to our family was doubled when he married another nurse. Maeve is a blessing to our family. And it's not only double, the blessing was not only double, it was tripled so far when Andre arrived. So that this evening, if there is any joy, if there is a reason for us to be happy and be thankful to God on the birthday of our son John, is because God is so good to us for giving us all these people that we love. We are thankful to God that He gave us John, our third child, and more so happy and thankful that at the turn of his 50th, we are still around.